Hey guys, I am coming to you from beautiful, breathtaking Badlands National Park in western South Dakota. This is essentially my backyard. I grew up just like 10 minutes from here, maybe 15 minutes. It is the 6th of December, but it is glorious outside. It's about 60 degrees right now. Decided to get out for a hike and wanted to hop on and share with you how valuable and beneficial it is just to immerse yourself within nature, especially when you're feeling anxious or stressed or overwhelmed. It's incredibly healing, grounding, soothing. It really helps maintain perspective. Like, how remarkable is this view? In this video, it doesn't even do it justice. I wish I could have each of you watching this teleport here to this moment, but I'm trying to savor it for you. And yeah, for me, part of what it means to thrive is to maintain a healthy connection with planet Earth and with nature, to maintain a healthy appreciation and reverence, and to regularly express my gratitude and appreciation for the plethora of plants and animals and living things and landscapes and just the climates, all the diversity that comprises this absolutely splendid planet that we all call home. So yeah, my encouragement to you is to find some time this week to get outside, to breathe in some fresh air. I realize not everyone has access to a national park, but if you can get out to your city park, go hiking out in the woods, go to the mountains, go to the beach, go to a lake, get somewhere outside and really allow yourself to just be present with the natural beauty, with the plants. Allow yourself to be open to observing any wildlife, any birds, anything. Seen some deer already on my hike. So yeah, consider how connecting with nature can better enable you to enjoy a thriving existence. Much love.